Hi, Eric here. I've been cooking healthy meals and food preparations for about 10 years now. Although I don't know everything, I would like to share what I've learned so far. Preparing food can be really intimidating, but in reality, cooking is easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade pizza rolls. My goal is to oversimplify cooking into a form that even beginners can try their hand at. Everyone can cook healthy meals for themselves, and you will always feel better for doing so. These first two recipes I created when I was 16 years old, and they've helped me survive until adulthood on a budget. However, since I've grown as a cook since then, the last two pizza rolls are a bit more elevated. First, all of these recipes are baked for 1 hour at 375 degrees. For the cheap and quick pizza roll, you will need a standard baking sheet with aluminum foil on it, regular large soft tortillas, dried basil, dried oregano, any type of sea salt, black pepper, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 4 Italian sausages, 1 large or 2 small yellow onions, and finally, fresh garlic. Start by peeling your garlic. You'll want at least 2 cloves. You can add more if you'd like to. Chop your garlic into equal large pieces. Next, open your can of tomatoes. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried basil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, 1 to 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 1 to 3 teaspoons of sea salt. You can completely omit the salt if you don't want it. Don't forget to add your garlic. Now, simply stir until all your ingredients are evenly mixed. Cut the head and tail off of your onions. Then, slice the entire onion down the center. Peel the onions and slice them widthwise. Rough chop them into equal parts. Now, take your Italian sausage, mild or spicy, and cut them into equal-sized medium chunks. Prior to building your pizza rolls, spray or wipe down your baking sheet with oil. To make these pizza rolls, take a small amount of each ingredient and place them in the center of your tortilla. Add 2 spoonfuls of tomato sauce. When rolling the tortilla, put a steady amount of downward pressure at your fingertips as you pull back the tortilla to about halfway the width of the wrap. From this point on, keep pressure on the middle of the tortilla. Fold the top and bottom of the tortilla inwards. Now it's ready for placement on the baking sheet. The final step is to apply oil by either spraying or dabbing the outside of these rolls with a paper towel dipped in oil. This step is very important, so do not skip it. The oil will crisp the outside shell of our pizza rolls and hold all the ingredients in. Bake these rolls at 375 degrees for 1 hour. When you take them out, they should be crispy but still pliable. Cheap and easy pizza roll, done. Now, I'll be making the chicken Alfredo pizza roll, my past roommate's favorite roll. You'll need 1 baking sheet with foil on it, large spinach wraps, fresh spinach, black pepper, Alfredo, and no, it doesn't matter what kind. All bottled Alfredo pales in comparison to fresh Alfredo. 1 small yellow onion, and 2 chicken thighs. Start by washing your spinach and patting it dry. head and tail cut your onion. Then cut it down the center and peel it. Separate them widthwise and cut them into equal-sized pieces. For the chicken thighs, you're going to want to feel them with your hand to make sure there isn't any gristle left from the butcher. Gristle is a thick, connective tissue that feels like small stones. We don't want that in our food. Cut the chicken thighs in half and then cut them against the grain. Now, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of black pepper to your chicken and mix well. If you're sensitive to this much pepper, skip this step. This fresh spinach is too long to comfortably fit in our tortillas. You want to cut the stems off to save space, but don't throw them away, we're still eating these stems. Make sure to spray your cooking sheet or dab a little oil on it to prevent it from sticking. Put an equal amount of ingredients in the middle of your tortilla. Less is more here. Add 2 spoonfuls of pre-made Alfredo sauce. Now, fold the tortilla on itself and pull the tortilla's edge towards the middle, making sure to keep a light pressure on your fingertips. Wrap it around and fold the top and bottom of your tortilla inwards. It's ready for placement. Don't forget to spray or dab the outside of these rolls with oil. Put these in the oven at 375 degrees for 1 hour. When you take them out, they should be crispy but pliable. Your chicken Alfredo pizza roll is now ready to eat. These food prep really well and reheat in the microwave easily. It's time to make our burrata pizza rolls. To make this recipe, you'll need 1 baking sheet with foil, medium flour tortillas, burrata cheese, or any form of mozzarella cheese, 2 shallots, 4 Italian sausages, crushed tomatoes, baby spinach and arugula, or just fresh basil, cracked red pepper, and fennel seed. Start by head and tailing your shallots. You want to cut the shallot in half, but perpendicularly to its growth pattern. This makes peeling it significantly easier. Rough cut each shallot into equal-sized pieces. Now, cut your sausage into equal parts. Apply 1 to 2 tablespoons of fennel seed to your meat and mix it well. This will flavor our pork even more when it slow steams and its animal fat renders inside of the pizza roll. Next, you'll need to process the burrata cheese into smaller chunks. Note that burrata cheese has a filling, so you'll want to make sure to scoop all of that inside the bowl for easy application. Place a handful of greens into the center of your tortilla. When adding your shallots and sausage, don't use too much, as they're the bulkiest pieces of this puzzle. Add in your burrata or mozzarella cheese, keep it together, and don't attempt to spread it. Add 1 scoop of crushed tomatoes, and add the desired amount of cracked red pepper. Now, pull the tortilla into a taco shape and then lean it to one side. Pull the wrap towards the center of the dish with even pressure at your fingertips. Wrap the tortilla around, fold the top and bottom inwards. Your pizza roll is now ready for placement. Spray or dab your rolls with oil. This helps crispen them up in the oven. Bake them at 375 degrees for 1 hour. These rolls are ready when they're entirely crispy on all sides. The burrata pizza roll is done. This pizza roll just hits different. It's incredibly filling, and the texture of the spicy burrata cheese brings it to an entirely different level. I'm going to make chicken goat cheese and fig pizza. You'll need a baking sheet with foil, medium whole wheat tortillas, goat cheese, 2 chicken thighs, 2 shallots, crushed tomatoes, baby spinach and arugula, and some sort of preserved fig or fig spread. I'm using chili fig spread for 1/2 of my rolls and regular fig spread for the other half. Start by head and tailing your shallots. Make sure to cut them in half perpendicular to their growth pattern. Peel and cut the shallots into equal-sized pieces. Take your chicken and portion it appropriately. Cut them into equal parts against the grain. Now, process your goat cheese by either cutting or pulling it apart with your hand. Again, equal chunks. For your bottled figs, they may be hard to open. To loosen bottles, simply hit the top diagonally with the back of your knife. This will release the pressure of the jarring process and allow you to easily twist the top off. Remember to spray or dab oil onto your baking sheet. Start by placing your ingredients in equal amounts into the center of your tortilla. Adding the shallots last will help you determine how much room you have left. Add 1 spoonful of crushed tomatoes. Add 1 spoonful of fig spread or 2 preserved figs. Shape your tortilla into the shape of a taco and then lean it to one side. Pull the end of the tortilla into the center while using pressure on your fingertips. You want everything to be snug without pushing out of the roll. Fold the top and the bottom. This pizza roll is now ready to be placed. Spray your rolls with oil or dab them lightly on all sides. This will help the whole wheat tortillas crisp up and hold their form. You'll be baking these at 375 degrees for 1 hour. They're done when they're crispy on all sides. Our chicken goat cheese and fig pizza rolls are ready to eat. If you're a fan of goat cheese, you need to make this recipe. The perfect blend of sweet and savory in a single portion size kind of just makes me feel right at home. If you'd like to see me cook more healthy meals, give me suggestions in the comments below. I plan on turning this into a series. If you want to see more content like this, subscribing helps me do so. Until next time.